If you eat eggs every day, here's what will happen to your body. You'll increase your muscle mass. It's one of the most amino acid complete protein foods you can find. One egg provides between 6 and 7 grams of protein. Improve your cardiovascular health. Studies have shown eating between 3 and 5 eggs a day promotes heart health as their dietary cholesterol is good for the body. You'll lose weight. The high protein content of eggs increases satiety and reduces cravings. By including eggs in your meals, you'll be able to better control your appetite. Your vision will improve. Eggs contain powerful antioxidants for your eyes, such as lutein and zeaxanthin. Studies have shown regular consumption of eggs increases antioxidant levels in your blood, promoting good vision. You'll improve your brain. Eggs are rich in hills, which are an essential nutrient for brain development and function. If you eat between 3 and 5 every day, you'll improve your concentration and memory. Subscribe for more health tips at CJW Wealth.